The top 10 most expensive and rare Lamborghinis of all time. Lamborghini vehicles are among those highly sought-after supercars and will almost never be affordable. Owning the least expensive new Lamborghini costs at least $200,000. There are some used automobile models that are incredibly affordable, but you still have to fork out more money than you would for many new luxury vehicles. So let's check out some luxurious Lamborghinis. Welcome back to E-Vehicles. Lamborghini Concept S. Lamborghini's Concept S was dreamed of by then-head of design Luc Donkervolk at Centro Stile Lamborghini and introduced as an extreme interpretation of an open-top convertible version of the Gallardo in Geneva in 2005 as a non-running design study. Donkervolk imagined the design as a futuristic take on the historic single-seat racing car, but with dual cockpits side by side. The overwhelming public interest at the Geneva Motor Show spurred the decision to build a working model in order to better measure possible consumer demand. To say the least, it was a magnificent design, and the earliest prototype vehicle is now on display at the Lamborghini Museum in Sant'Agata Bolognese, $1.32 million. There were just 2 examples of the Lamborghini concept made. The Lamborghini Concept S is based on the Gallardo. Lamborghini opted to manufacture a limited run of 100 cars for its most preferred customers after abandoning series production. Lamborghini REVENTON. The Lamborghini REVENTON is a limited production mid-engine sports car that debuted at the 2007 Frankfurt Motor Show. According to the official press release, only 20 automobiles would be offered to the general public, with one additional car designated 0 of 20 constructed for the Lamborghini Museum. Each car has its number stamped in the order of 20 between the driver and passenger seats. While the bodywork is all new, almost all mechanical components, including the engine, are taken directly from the Murcielago LP640. The exterior style of the REVENTON was inspired by the fastest airplanes, according to the official news release. In keeping with Lamborghini tradition, the car is named after a fighting bull. Lamborghini Centenario. It is a limited edition sports car based on the Lamborghini Aventador, which was introduced at the 2016 Geneva Motor Show to honor the company's founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini, on his 100th birthday. The Centenario was created by Lamborghini to demonstrate the evolution of new technology, as well as to serve as a testbed for the development of new Lamborghini models. The Centenario is the first Lamborghini vehicle to include 3 exhausts and rear-wheel steering. The technology is intended to increase mobility at low speeds in a city driving environment, as well as stability at high speeds. This is also the first Lamborghini vehicle to feature the new infotainment system. The system has a new 10.1-inch portrait screen for recording telemetry, driving statistics, and top speed. Do you want to know the price? It's $1.9 million. Lamborghini Aventador J. It is a mid-engine sports automobile made by Lamborghini, an Italian automaker. In keeping with Lamborghini tradition, the Aventador is named after a Spanish bullfight that took place in Zaragoza, Aragon in 1993. At the 2012 Geneva Motor Show, Lamborghini presented the Aventador J to the public for the first time. The normal Aventador's V12 engine, which generates 690 horsepower or 515 kilowatts with the same single-clutch transmission as the ordinary coupe, is used in the roofless and windowless Barchetta concept car. For a total weight reduction of 3,472 pounds, the vehicle is equipped without a radio and air conditioning. The only vehicle constructed was the one displayed at the Geneva Motor Show. It sells for $2.8 million. If you want to own the next one, click the subscribe button, and if you continue watching, one day you will be able to buy. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. It is a high-performance limited edition vehicle that Lamborghini unveiled at the 2010 Paris Motor Show. The term Sesto Elemento, which alludes to the carbon fiber employed in its manufacture, is an allusion to the element's atomic number. The Sesto Elemento has an all-wheel drive system with Lamborghini's 6-speed E-gear automatic manual transmission. Its 5.2-liter V10 engine, which is taken from the Gallardo Superleggera, produces 419 kilowatts or 562 horsepower and 540 newton-meters or 398 pound-feet of torque. The overall weight is reduced to 999 kilograms, 2,202 pounds, by using carbon fiber for the chassis, body, drive shaft, and suspension components. Lamborghini Sián FKP 37. The Sián FKP 37 is the first super sports car equipped with a V12 engine and supercapacitor-based hybrid technology. It is an unmatched work of engineering and science thanks to its potent V12 engine and electronic boost. The name Sián, which translates to lightning in Bolognese, perfectly describes the car's actual nature, especially its high speed of more than 220 miles per hour, 350 kilometers an hour. The Sián FKP 37, which was inspired by the Countach, has angular lines, a sleek aerodynamic shape, and Lamborghini design DNA at its pinnacle level. All of the body is carbon fiber. Innovative lines are used to shape the electrochromic roof and moving surfaces that are controlled by intelligent materials. The headlights, which were inspired by the Terzo Millennio, leave a lasting luminous imprint that will influence future Lamborghini design. Its price is $3.6 million US. Lamborghini MIURA SVJ. Only 3 of the 764 MIURAs that Lamborghini produced in 1972 carried the SVJ moniker. A 1971 Lamborghini MIURA SV sold for $3.6 million in 2020. One of the 3 SVJ replicas was put up for sale at Kidston, a Lamborghini expert, a year later. There is a good probability it sold for more than $3.6 million, even if the website doesn't give the precise selling price. Lamborghini Veneno. It is a high-performance sports car with a small production run that was created by Lamborghini, an Italian automaker. To commemorate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary, the Veneno, based on the Aventador, was created. At the 2013 Geneva Motor Show, it was unveiled. Lamborghini's concept of a racing prototype designed for the road is the Veneno. There is improved downforce and maximum airflow at the front of the automobile. In order to lessen excessive lift and help produce downforce, the front and rear arches have been reworked to funnel air around the vehicle. The airflow is kept uninterrupted by the smooth underbody. The massive central fin of the LMP-style rear wing, made of carbon fiber, is 3-way adjustable and attached to the vehicle. One of the priciest production cars in the world at the time of its introduction, it cost $4 million. Lamborghini SC18 ALSTON. The SC18 ALSTON is the first of its kind in the Sant'Agata Bolognese racing division's history. In collaboration with the customer and the Lamborghini Centro Stile, this one-of-a-kind specimen was created. Despite being primarily intended for usage on the track, it has road approval. Extreme aerodynamics were built expressly for the vehicle and based on Squadra Corse's racing experience to provide the car with these qualities. The front bonnet, which has air intakes modeled after the Huracàn GT3 Evo, is where the racing features are first seen. The price is $7 million. 2013 Lamborghini EGOISTA. In celebration of the company's 50th anniversary, Lamborghini introduced the EGOISTA concept car. The Gallardo serves as the basis for the fully functional replica. It has a 600-horsepower, 5.2-liter, 317 cubic inch V10 engine. The Lamborghini EGOISTA has a one-seat cockpit that is distinctive and resembles a current fighter jet. It also has an entirely detachable canopy door. Like in a Formula One automobile, the steering wheel must be taken off to enter and exit the car. When viewed from the side, the Lamborghini EGOISTA's distinctive appearance is intended to resemble a bull poised to charge. Its price is $117 million. Which of these 10 cars was your favorite? And have you seen any of them? Do comment below. Also, to know more about cars, do subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Refer to other videos for more amazing content.